Hey there, this is James.
And Max, and welcome to Super Affiliate Academy Elite.
So, in Super Affiliate Academy Elite, why would you want to join and learn from us? Well, first of all, we're 2 Comma Club award winners. We have hundreds of thousands of products sold, millions earned as affiliates. We are true super affiliates. We have 30 plus years of affiliate marketing experience. Who is this for? If you're serious about making money online, and you're either a complete beginner all the way up to an advanced marketer, and we have both. We have people that made their first money online, and we have people that are 7-figure earners in this community. It's great for everybody. It's perfect for those that want to follow a proven, result-driven system. If you just want something that works, if you want something to focus on, this is for you. So what is the offer? This is an all-in-one platform to become a super affiliate. We give you all the tools you need to drive traffic and generate sales, and we have the proven strategies and expert support to help you win. So what's inside? Let's take a look. So here's a quick look inside this amazing community. We have a lot of stuff going on. For example, we're here doing daily update videos. No other school community does that. We have person after person having success, making money. So we have tons of people that never made money online before ever in their lives, now making money. No other school community could say that. Plus, we have multiple 7-figure earners. In fact, we've had conversations that you get access to all these recordings with a billionaire marketer, for example, like Dean Graziosi. This is the place to be if you want to make money online. We have our classroom that shows all of our next level strategies. We have all the software that you would ever need to be a super affiliate. The things that people don't tell you about that you need to make money are in here. There's nothing else that you have to pay for. Everything is included in Super Affiliate Academy Elite. We have a calendar where we have update calls. We're making this presentation, we're making this video on a Saturday. We have a call with our community on Monday. So we give you all the support you need. We give you all the training you need, and we give you the tools that you need to get on your way from your first sale ever to on your path to being a 7-figure super affiliate like Max and I.
Inside of our Elite, you definitely get everything that you'll ever need to become a super affiliate, all the strategies, the tools, and everything. This would cost you thousands of dollars a month, but you can try this out on a free trial and then just $79 a month.
So check it out below. Don't delay. Free trial to get in, then $79 a month. All the strategies you need, all the networking you need, people that are in the place where they've never made money online and now they're making sales, up to and including several already 7-figure earners in here. Plus, we're talking to billionaires. This is the place to be if you want to focus on one thing. If you want to truly make money online, then you need to join the elite community. Check out the free trial below and then come join the winners.